Multiphysics Box 10 Vibration Analysis in Time Domain. Welcome to this tutorial. Within the next minutes, we will demonstrate vibration monitoring in time domain with the Multiphysics Box 10. This includes an overview on the vibration data that is provided and on how to monitor these values. Chapter 1 Vibration Data. For vibration monitoring in time domain, the Multiphysics Box 10 provides 9 statistical and vibration-specific values. They provide very good indications of the general condition of machines by describing the vibration intensity, for example, or the type of vibration signal. This could be the A-arm mass, the V-arm mass, kurtosis, crest factor, or many more. For each key value, the current live value and the min and max value since last reset are provided for the X, Y, and Z axis. For the A and V RMS, the Multiphysics Box 10 provides this information additionally for the magnitude, which is a combined value of all 3 axes. Chapter 2 How to monitor these values. The key values in time domain can be monitored by setting limits. The simplest way is via teach-in, as the limits are set automatically based on the current measured values. There are 3 teach-in options. Teach the RMS limits only, which includes the limits for the ARMS and the VRMS. Teach all non-RMS values, which includes teaching the limits for all key values besides A and V RMS. And third, teach all limits, which means setting the limits for all 9 available time domain key values. At the start of the teaching process, the mean value and the standard deviation of the subsequent 10 data blocks are considered so that outliers in the limit settings are not as significant. For all key values, the min and the max limit are set automatically at ± 25% of the current measured value. For the RMS values, the automatic limits include an additional pre-max limit, which is set at +15% of the current value. Please keep in mind, the limits only apply to the alarm axis, which is marked in bold letters here in SOPAS, and which can be defined in the settings. For the RMS values, and the non-RMS values. Besides the automatic teach-in, it is also possible to set or adjust the limits manually. As soon as one of the limit values is exceeded or undercut, an alarm is triggered. The limits are deactivated by setting the limit values to an invalid value. Typically, this is -1.